Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges in a Canon Pixma MG7150. This is nice and simple, can be done from the printer itself without needing to involve a PC or laptop. Now what we need to do first of all is gain access to where the ink cartridges are stored. With the paper tray open, you just lift underneath the screen, and with that done, the printer will realise that that's been lifted and drag the cradle across. Now handily, this machine will actively indicate to you which cartridge is running low with the flashing LED. You can change other cartridges without any issue, but if we press down on the clip on the front of it, the cartridge comes loose. Take them out. Then we need to get our replacement cartridge. I'm replacing with a compatible cartridge that we sell, but the process remains the same if it's an original. If your cartridge has a pull tab on the cartridge, make sure you remove that first. And with that done, you can remove any plastic clips that are on the bottom. If you don't remove that pull tab first, you can find the ink spills out the bottom. So it's quite important. Now, slide that one in, front end first, and press it down until it clicks. If it's sat flush, you know you've got it in far enough, but the LED lights up anyway. So, now we just close down the lid of the printer, so the machine can take a look at the cartridges, and assuming it's happy with the cartridge you've installed, that's all there is to do really. Hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please pop it down in the comments below. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Really appreciate it. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.